Stating about the
reflection.
reflection. What happens in case of the mirror reflection? Second, in that case, in the case of regular, or it is called the specular reflection. So what happens? Parallel rays of light are falling on the smooth reflecting surface, and the surface is smooth, plain and reflecting. So what will happen? After reflection, the rays will also go out parallel. They will also go out parallel. So what will happen? Only this much area will be lit up, and you are going to see the image over this of this area only. Okay, but what happens in case if the surface is uneven? See the third diagram, it is uneven. So what will happen? Rays will come parallel, but it will fall on the different area where the surface are not at the same place, not on the same plane. You can see the plane over here is this, here the plane is this, and here the plane is like this. So what will happen? They will reflect back not parallelly, so they will just get scattered. Okay, as a result, we are not able to see a clear image. That is why if you stand in front of a wall or in front of a mirror, or sorry, not mirror, in an almirah or anything that are having a rough surface, you are not able to see your reflection, because this is diffuse reflection. So what is the utility of diffuse reflection? So is there any need of diffuse reflection? Do you need to have this, or it is unnecessary? Anything, just tell me. Any idea? Is there any utility of diffuse reflection? We have seen that in regular reflection we can see our image clearly. We can see on the mirror or any reflecting surface, smooth one. But what is about diffuse reflection? Is there any importance of diffuse reflection? Satakshi, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No. Acha. So if you know that you just at night you are switching on the tube light or the bulb, if the surface, each and every surface of the wall is shiny, then what will happen? You are going to see several images of the tube light, but due to the uneven surface or the rough surface, you are not able to see the image of the light. But what happens? In turn, the reflected ray from the tube light is getting scattered to the room, and the total room is getting lighted. So this is the benefit of diffuse reflection, as because of diffuse reflection you are able to see each and everything around you. Is it clear? So due to diffuse reflection we are able to see each and every thing around, because what happens during diffuse reflection, the light rays gets scattered throughout the area which has been illuminated. Am I clear?
Ma'am, means the
Yes,
light
ma'am.
which is coming from the bulbs, they are an example of
Yes, no,
specular surface.
light is not an example of diffuse reflection. The light that is coming from the bulb, when they're falling on the wall, they are getting scattered, not they are just after incident ray, that reflected rays are not going out parallelly. You can see the third diagram, they are just getting scattered. As a result, from the single bulb that has been placed at one corner of your room, the whole room has been illuminated. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If you just take a torch
Yes.
and put it on the mirror, will the whole room will get illuminated if the room is dark? No, you will not see. Only you
No,
will
ma'am.
see a clear image of the light that is fall on the mirror. But at the same time the room is dark, you are just switching on any light, what is happening? The whole room is getting illuminated. So this is the most important benefit of diffuse reflection, as a result of which we are able to see each and everything around us. Regular reflection, what is the benefit? That we are able to see our image or image of any object clearly. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how? So now the conclusion is that how you are able to see, how you are able to see any object. Can you see? There is a diagram I'm presenting. How you are able to see? Anyone just see the diagram and tell me that how we are able to see due to light, how you are able to, how light enables us to see any object. You can see there is a source of light, the sun. All of you can see.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
source of light is falling on an object. What is the object over here? A flower. It is falling on an object. That is a flower. And after falling on the flower, what is happening? It is getting reflected back to our
Eyes.
eyes. And in the eyes, the image is formed. The image which is formed, we are going to read later on, that is a real image. Why it is a real image? Because the image is actually formed by the convergence of the light rays coming from the object. All the light, reflected light that is coming from the rose or the flower, they are getting converged at a point in our eye. There is a lens in our eye. Our eye also has lens. Some of you are having spectacles, you have to add some power if there is any problem. So the lens is converging all the light rays coming from any object into a special area present in our eye called retina. And on the retina, the inverted real image is formed. Whenever any image, real image is formed, the image will be inverted. Am I clear? How do you remember about pinhole camera? You have learned in class 6, pinhole
Yes,
camera.
yes,
So
ma'am.
what kind of image you have
Yes,
got?
ma'am.
That was a real image you have got on a screen, and the image was upside down. Hannah, do you
Yes, ma'am.
remember? In case of pinhole camera, you have got a
Yes, ma'am.
image that was upside down. So that was a real image. So whenever and wherever any kind of image, real image will be formed, that will be upside down. So how you are able to see me that erect and I am able to see you erect or any object surrounding us as erect? Because our nervous system have some nerves, special types of nerves called the optic nerves. Okay, that take the sensation of the image and make convert into an electrical signal and take it to the brain process it and make the inverted image to the erect one within fraction of seconds, and as a result we can see you as you are, not an inverted one. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.